Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by proving the market. Run 3 quick tests to confirm demand and willingness to pay. Once validated, build one high-converting landing page and connect Stripe or PayPal so you can accept dollar immediately. Next, create a single lead magnet that solves a clear problem and a 3-email onboarding sequence that turns cold traffic into first-time buyers. Make sure tracking is live, so every click and conversion teaches you what to double down on next. Once the core asset converts, focus on scaling 2 channels, one paid for predictable volume and one organic for compounding growth. You should run continuous A/B tests on headlines, CTAs, and price points. Track conversion rate and cost per acquisition to guide spend. At the same time, automate retargeting sequences and email flows, and segment by user behavior and lifetime value so your messages match intent. Keep iterating until CPA stabilizes below your target margin, then increase budget. Finish by maximizing revenue per customer, add upsells, subscription options, and longer nurture paths to raise lifetime value. Monitor key metrics, CAC, LTV, conversion rate, and churn so you spot problems early. If performance drops, isolate variables, traffic source, creative, landing page, or checkout, then roll back to the last known good variant and run a controlled experiment to confirm fixes. Finally, reinvest profits into the best channel mix and repeat the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.